Hello everyone and welcome to this series on prepositional logic. In this video, we'll explore what prepositional logic is, understand its syntax, learn about prepositional variables and logical connectives, and see how well-formed formulas are built. So let's get started. Prepositional logic is a branch of logic that studies prepositions, statements that can either be true or false. It allows us to combine these simple statements using logical connectives to form more complex expressions. The foundational logic is key in fields like mathematics, computer science, and artificial intelligence. Syntax in prepositional logic refers to the formal rules that tells us how to construct valid logical expression. These includes prepositional variables like P, Q, and R, logical connectives such as negation, conjunction, disjunction, implication, and biconditional, and parentheses to clearly group expressions. A well-formed formula or WFF is a logical expression constructed correctly according to syntax rules. It can be a simple atomic proposition, the negation of a well-formed formula, or two well-formed formulas connected by a binary connective, all clearly grouped with parentheses to avoid ambiguity. Here are some examples. Valid well-formed formulas include simple propositions like the following and compound expressions such as the following. Invalid formulas might have missing parts, misplaced connectives, or unbalanced parentheses like the following without a connective. Syntax matters because it ensures our logical expressions are clear and unambiguous. This clarity is essential for consistent interpretation and evaluation, which forms the foundation for logic reasoning and automated processing in computers and AI systems. Proper syntax prevents meaningless or confusing statements. To summarize, prepositional logic focuses on statements that are either true or false. Syntax defines rules to combine these statements into valid logical expressions called well-formed formulas. Maintaining correct syntax is essential for meaningful and consistent logical reasoning. So, in the next video, we'll explore semantics in propositional logic, where we'll talk about how we can assign meaning and truth values to formulas using truth tables and interpretations. So, see you in the next video.